Embarking on a weight loss journey can be both challenging and empowering. Remember, every drop of sweat is a step towards the stronger, healthier you. Here's your daily dose of gym motivation. Set your goals. Define your objectives clearly. Whether it's shedding pounds, building muscle, or boosting overall fitness, having a goal will keep you focused and motivated. Celebrate small wins. Every milestone, no matter how small, deserves celebration. Did you push yourself an extra mile on the treadmill? Celebrate it. Small victories build up to significant achievements. Embrace the process. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your dream body won't be either. Enjoy the journey, relish the progress, and trust the process. Consistency is your greatest ally. Find your tribe. Surround yourself with like-minded women at the gym. Having a supportive community can make all the difference. Share your triumphs and challenges, and draw inspiration from others. Mix up your routine. Boredom can be a motivation killer. Keep things exciting by trying different workouts. From cardio to strength training, variety not only challenges your body, but also keeps your mind engaged. Dress for success. Invest in workout clothes that make you feel confident and fabulous. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence will propel you through your workouts. Music magic. Create a playlist that pumps you up. Music has the power to elevate your mood and energy levels. Find beats that resonate with your workout rhythm. Self-care matters. Rest and recovery are just as crucial as the workout itself. Treat yourself to a massage, a relaxing bath, or a quiet moment of reflection. Your body deserves it. Visualize your success. Picture yourself achieving your goals. Imagine the sense of accomplishment, the energy, and the confidence. Visualization can be a powerful motivator. Be kind to yourself. Remember, perfection is a myth. Embrace your journey, flaws and all. Be proud of your efforts and don't be too hard on yourself. You're doing amazing.